Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. That is exercise 12.2. Here we will see the quadrilateral also. That first question, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. That means first of all we will draw the ABCD. ABCD, and then C is an 90 degree angle. C is a 90 degree angle. AB is equal to 9, BC is equal to 12, and then CD is equal to 5, and AD is equal to 8. So we have not a formula for find the area of quadrilateral. So first of all we will draw the diagonal of this one. Why? Because this is a 90 degree angle. So this is a 90 degree angle, so we can find this one easily by hypotenuse. H square is equal to P square plus B square, so that H is equal to under root P is 5 square plus that is 12 square. So that 25 plus 144, that will be 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. So that is a 13. Now we have a two triangle, this triangle and this triangle. So separately we will find that both area. So in area of triangle BCD, 90 degree angle is there. So we can apply this one, 1 upon 2 base into height. So that is 1 upon 2 into base is 12 into height is 5. 6 ja, that is 5 6 ja 30. 5 6 ja 30. Units is given in meter. So that is meter square. Meter. And then for triangle ABD, for triangle ABD, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that A is that we can take the any part, 9 plus 8 plus 13 upon 2. So that 9 8 that will be 17, that is 30 upon 2, 15 ja. So that is 15. Now area ABD is equal to, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that S is 15, and then 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8, 15 minus, that will be 13, that is 13. So that 15 into, that will be 6 into, this will be 8 plus 7 into, this will be 15 minus 13, this will be 2. This will be 2. Now the multiply of both, that will be, multiply of this one will be 15 to 30, and then 6 7 ja 42. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, that will be 1260. Now you will see here why I have multiplied all the factors, because this factor, this has not a pair of factors. It means not a complete factor is here. So I have multiplied that. Now we will find the square root of that one. Square root of that one. Square root of that one, that will be 35.5. That is a square root of this one. You know that you can find. You have studied in 7th class, 8th class also. Now area ABCD is equal to sum of both areas, this area and this area. 30 plus 35.5, that will be 65.5 centimeter square. 65.5 centimeter square. Second question, find the area of quadrilateral ABC. Same quadrilateral we will apply that. A, B, C, D, and then AB is equal to, that is a 3, BC is equal to 4, CD is equal to also 4, CD is equal to also 4, DA is equal to 5, and then AC is equal to, that is a 5. AC is equal to also, that is given the 5. So that this will be Pythagorean template. So area of that one, because 5 5 is 25, this is a 9, 4 5 16, 9 plus 16, that will be 25. So that area ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that will be 1 upon 2 into base is 3 into height is 4. 2 2s are 4. So that will be 3 2s are 6. Is given unit in centimeter, that is a square. Now we will see the area, that one. Area ACD for triangle ACD, that S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that A is 4 plus 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 plus 5 upon 2, that is 14 upon 2, 7. So that is 7 centimeter. Now area ACD is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now S is 7, that is 7 minus 4, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, that's in under root. So that 7 into 7 less 4, 3, 2 into 2. Here is also not fact, you are looking the factor. So that 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 is 12, 12 7 ja 12 7 ja 84, and then we will find the square root of 84. That will be 9 9 ja 81, and then approximately that one. This answer is approx, because square root of that one will be not completely this one. This is the approx. So this is also approx. So area ABCD is equal to, add of these two, 9.2 is equal to 96 15.2 centimeter square. That is also approx. Next question, that third question. This is a very lengthy question. First of all, you will see the diagram, aeroplane, that is aeroplane, that is a 5 centimeter. So this will be also 5 centimeter. This is the 6 centimeter. So this will be also 6 centimeter. This is a 1.5. So this will be also 1.5. This is a 1. So this will be also 1. This is the 2, and this is a 1 1. And then this is the first part, and then second part. This is the third part. This is the fourth part. This is the fifth part. Now for first part, we see that for first part S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that A is 5 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11 upon 2. 11 upon 2, that will be. Now area is equal to area of first part is equal to, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that will be S is 1 up 2, that 11 upon 2 A is, that is 5, and then 11 upon 2 minus 5, and then 11 upon 2 minus 1. So that will be 11 upon 2 into 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 11 less 10, 1 upon 2, that will be 1 upon 2 into 2 1 ja 2, that is 9 upon 2. So that we can write outside that that will be 11 9 99 upon 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, and then by the find of the square root, that will be 2.49, that will be 2.49, that is a square root of this will be 2.49. Next, centimeter square, and then area of second part, area of second part, this is a rectangular, so length into breadth, so that is length will be 6, that is given 6, you can see in diagram, that is a 6, so that is 6 into 1.5, sorry 1, so that is 6 1 ja 6, that is 6, sorry, that is given the 6.5, so that will be 6.5 into 1, that will be 6.1 centimeter square. Now for third part, this is the most important, for third part, that first of all we join this one also, so that will be 0.5. So first of all we will find the perpendicular, so perpendicular square is equal to hypo square minus b square, so that p is equal to hypo is 1 square and then minus decimal 5 square, so that 1 minus decimal 25, so that 1 minus 5, that will be decimal 75, that is under root. So under root of that decimal 75, that will be decimal 0.87. This is the approx values I am finding, because we can't find the perfect value of perfect square root of decimal 75. So that area is equal to area of third part is equal to, that is 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side into, that is a height, decimal 87, so that will be 3 upon 2 into decimal 87. So by the calculation of that thing, that will be 1.305, by the calculation of that will be by the cancel. And then area of fourth part, that will be simply 1 upon 2 into base into height, because 90 degree angle is given already here there, so that will be, this is a 6, this is the 6, so 1 upon 2 into 6 into 1.5, so that 3, so 15 3 is 45 centimeter square. Now the area of fourth part, area of fifth part, fourth part we have done, that will be also same, because fourth and fifth part both are the same. So now area of that, we need to find the used paper we can write here, used paper used paper is equal to sum of all the areas 2.49 plus that is a second area is that okay, we can write that third area 1.305 plus that 4.5 plus 4.5 and then first area that was 2.49 2.4 1 2 3 4 one area is area second part that one 6.5 and then sum of all the digit will be 19.3 centimeter square. That is the answer. This is the approx value, not a perfect value. This is the approx value. And then next question will be a triangle of the parallelogram have a same base and the same area if the side of a triangle is 26, 28 and 30. So A is equal to that is 26 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter, C is equal to that is 30 centimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that 26 plus 2 plus 26 plus 28 plus 30 upon 2. So that 8 6 14 2 to 4 4 8 upon 2 2 4 ja 2 2 ja that is 42 centimeter. Now area of triangle is equal to that is 42 minus 26 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30 and then 42 multiply left is 6 16 6 6 12 2 1 3 1 4 into that is 12 plus 8 4 1 14 and then that is left 12 and then factor that factor will be 2 into 3 into 7 2 3 is 6 7 is 42 that 4 into 4 we can write here and then 7 into 2 7 2 is 14 and then this will be 2 into 2 into 3 so that 2 is come outside 3 also come out 4 7 also come outside 4 also come outside and 2 again is come outside. So that 2 3 is 6 2 3 is 6 12 7 4 is 28 28 12 no need to do the multiply also and then here is saying area are same. So area of parallelogram or area of triangle both are the same. So that will be find 1 upon 2 into base into height also we can apply here and then find the height of the parallelogram and then base is given 28 is there 1 into 28 into h so 24 ja 2 14 ja so that h is equal to that 14 will go downside here 14 so that 7 2 ja 14 2 cancel by 2 now 2 3 ja 6 6 4 ja 24 that will be something is oh sorry that is a base into height sorry base into height 28 so that will be 28 so 7 4 ja 28 2 2 ja and 2 cancel by 2 so that 3 4 ja 12 centimeter that is our answer. Question 5 that a rhombus shape field green grass 18 cows to graze if each side of a rhombus is 30 so that A is equal to 30 and B is equal to will be also 30 and then Diagonal is 48. So that is a 48 is a C. 48 centimeter. Sorry, meter will be there. Meter. Now S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that 8, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. That will be 2, 5 ja, 4 ja. That is 54 meter. Now area. Area of triangle is equal to, that will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that 54 into 5 plus 3, 2, 24 into 14 less 8, 6. And then this one will be 3 into 6. 3 3 9 3 9 6 54. 24 will be same into 6. And then 3 come outside, 6 come outside, 24 come outside. And then 3 6 18. 3 6 18. 18 24 ja. 8 4 ja 32. 3 8 is 16. 3 19. And 1 4 ja 1 2 ja 2 3 4. 432 meter square. Means a rhombus has a two triangle. So that each cow graze is equal to that two triangle are there. 432 2 into 432, because two triangle in a that one rhombus, and then a cows are 18. So that 2 9 ja 18 by 9. 9 6 ja 9 4 ja 36, and then left is 4 7 72, 9 8 ja 72. That is 48 meter square. Each cow will be graze this area. Next question number 6. 6 is an umbrella with stitching of 10 triangular pieces. That pieces are A is equal to 20, B is equal to 50, C is equal to 50. All in given centimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. That will be 120 upon 2. That is a 60. So that is 60. Now area. Area of triangle is equal to, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That 60 into, that will be 40 into 40 into, that will be 10. And then this will be 6 into 10 into 40 into 40 into 10. Only 6 10 ja 60. That 40 into 10 is coming outside. That is inside the 6. So that 4 1 ja 4. 400. 400 under root 3. This is the area of a triangle. So how many stitching are there? 10 triangular is here, and two color are using. So each color use. Each color, that each color, yeah, each color used is equal to, that will be 60 less 20, that will be, oh sorry, this is a 10. Oh sorry, just wait, 10. So that will be 10. So that will be just different. So pair will be also wrong. Pair will be also wrong. That will be nice. Now the 2 into 3 into 10 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. So that will be come outside 10 into 2 into 10 under root 6. So that 200 under root 6 meter square. And then each color use 5 triangle are each color, so that under root 6. So that 5 2 ja 10, 1000 under root 6 centimeter square cloth used for each color. Now the seventh question, that diagram is given here, so that diagonal is equal to that is given 6 6 each 8. So area of first part, area of first part is equal to, that will be 1 upon 2 into base into height. So base is equal to 1 upon 2 into base is 32 and height is 16 because diagonal is there given. So 16 16 ja 256, that is given in centimeter square. So area of second part, area of second part, that will be same because both are the same centimeter square. Now area of, we will see the third part. Area of third part for third part, that S is equal to, that is 6 plus 8 is given, that 6 is equivalent equal sides and then 8 is given in diagram. So that 20 upon 2, 2 10 ja, so that is 10, that is centimeter, that will be centimeter. Now area of third part is equal to that S minus A, that will be 10 minus 6 and 10 minus, that is 8, and then 10 into, that is 6 less than 4 into 4 into 2. So that will be 2 into 5 and then 4 will be same, right, because already pair is looking here. So that 2 into 4 under root 5, so that will be 4 2 ja 8 under root 5 centimeter square. And then how much paper of each side has been used. So that here is one answer, here is also one answer, here is also one answer for each side. And then if you will be total page, total used paper, total used is equal to, add all, that answer will be also come, but we don't need to add that one. Question number 8, that is a second last question. 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The side of the triangle being 9, 28, 35. So that A is equal to 9, B is equal to 28, C is equal to, that is 35 centimeter. These are the given. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that is 8 5 13, 9 22. So 2 2 4 4 3 7 upon 2, that is 36 centimeters. So area is equal to, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is 36 multiply 36 less 9, that will be 27 into 28 will be 8 into 1. Now that will be 6 into 6 for 36. That will be 3 into 3 into 3, and then for 8 2 into 2 into 2. So that comes outside 6 into 3 into 2 has come outside, and 3 into 2 is inside. So that 6 to 12, 6 to 18 to 36 under root 6. Now cost, we find the cost. Cost is equal to, that rate is 50 paise, that means 1/2 rupees is equal to, that is a 16 tile, that is a total tiles are 16 into, that will be 36 under root 6, and then 8 ja, and then 8 into 36 under root 6. When you will find the under root 6, the value of under root 6 and multiply, then that answer will come 705.6 rupees. That will be answer. And the last question is that, ninth question, that is fill in the shape of a trapezium. So first of all we will draw a trapezium, that is a trapezium, and then parallel sides are 25 and 10, and then non-parallel side are 14 and 13 meter. That all the given in meter, and then A, B, C, D. I draw a parallel line also here. That will be 10, or this will be 15. This will be 14 because parallel is this one. So that is a E in triangle BCE. That is area. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that will be 5, 3, 8, 4, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 21. So that is 21. So area BCE is equal to, that is S minus A, that is 15, S minus B, that is 13, S minus C, that is 14, and then 21 into that 516 into, that will be 37, that 718 into, that will be 7. Right. Now that will be 7 into 3 into, that will be 3 into 2, or that will be 2 into 2 into 2, or 7 will become same. So that 7 into, that will be 3 into 2 into 2, this. And we know that 1/2 into base into height also. So that 1/2 into base is 25 into height. So that H is equal to, that will be go upside, and this will become inside, or denominator side. So cancellation is not going on anywhere. Okay. So that H is equal to, that will be 2 to the 4 to the 8, and 7 to the 21, 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 168 upon 25 meter. That is a height. Now we will find the area of parallelogram. Area of, that is a trapezium. Area of A, B, C, D, that will be 1/2 sum of parallel side 10 plus 25 into height, that is a height we have find 168 upon 25. So that 35 upon 2 into 168 upon 25, that will be, oh sorry, that is a 15. Just wait, this is the 15, this is the 15, this is the 15. So that will be cancel, 3 5 ja 15. So that 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 7 ja 56 upon 5. 56 upon 5, that will be 56 upon 5. 56 upon 5, 5 7 ja, and then 2 2 ja 2 8 ja. So 8 7 ja 56, and 7 2 ja 14, and 14 plus by that 19. That will be 56 centimeter or meter square. That will be meter square answer. Okay.